As Marathas held yet another massive protest demanding reservation in Maharashtra in their western stronghold of Satara, thousands of OBCs took out a march of their own in Nasik. On the face of it, this was a support rally for the release of NCP's OBC leader Chhagan Bhujbal, who is in jail on charges of corruption. But with many OBC supporters coming from other states, it was a show of strength for the community.
ओबीसी आरक्षण छोड़ के उसके उनके अलावा उनको आरक्षण दिया जाए, उनके अपोज में हमारा कुछ भी ये नहीं है.
Adding a third dimension, this protest rally in Buldhana in Vidarbha, organized by Dalits after Maratha groups asked for an overhaul of the Atrocities Act that gives protection to Dalits and tribals against caste-based complaints.
मराठा समाज मोर्चा काढतोय, त्या मोर्चाला कोणाचं विरोध असल्याचं कारण नाही. खैरलांजी झालं त्यावेळेस आम्ही दलितांनी सुद्धा प्रचंड मोर्चा काढला. मोर्चामध्ये ॲट्रॉसिटी ॲक्टच्या संबंधामध्ये जी भूमिका येते, मला वाटतं त्यासंबंधी सर्वांनी अत्यंत गांभीर्यपूर्वक विचार करणं आवश्यक आहे.
The Maharashtra government has said it's in favor of reservations for Marathas, but has not clarified what contours that could take. Other political parties too, all too aware that with a number of local body elections coming up in the next 6 months, the issue of caste-based reservation could become a political nightmare. As Marathas make up 30% of the vote base, and OBCs already get 27% reservation in Maharashtra. With Kishore Belsare, Sanjay Zadhav and Sujit Ambekar in Mumbai, Ketki Angre for NDTV.